Today I'm going to show you how you can link an affiliate offer right to a Pinterest pin. Yes, it's allowed despite the whole internet seeming to think that it's not allowed. You just have to follow Pinterest terms of service and affiliate marketing guidelines, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in this module today. My name is Brittany. I'm a social media marketing and Pinterest strategist, and I provide all this information on YouTube for free. I make a full-time income working in my spare time as a stay-at-home mom, and I want to share my secrets with you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe, comment, engage with this video so that I don't have to charge for a course. My whole YouTube channel is full of social media tutorials and Pinterest marketing tutorials, and in the description box below you'll find freebies and resources to help you further along your journey. But without further ado, let's start turning your Pinterest pins into links to affiliate offers. So why even take our affiliate marketing offers to Pinterest? Why not stay on Instagram, TikTok, the basic mainstream social media platforms? Well, I'm going to share with you really quickly why taking your affiliate offers to Pinterest is so strategic and so smart. Pinterest is actually not a social media platform. It's a search engine. So it behaves in a way that Google or YouTube would behave. People put things into the search bar and the algorithm takes the context from your Pinterest pins and relays it to what they think would be a good match for the people that are searching their search terms. Now, why is this so important to note? Because search engine algorithms last so much longer than your mainstream social media platforms. On Instagram or TikTok, your video may spike up and then it's gonna die down and it's never gonna see that traction again. Where on Pinterest, if you're doing the proper keyword research and you're getting yourself ranked for the proper keywords, you know what people are searching into the platform, you can be seen for months and months to come, which is super exciting because that's where like the more passive income comes to play, right? Because you're only putting in the work once and you're not on this constant content wheel trying to make new content every single day, 5 pieces of content every day to just keep those numbers up, right? If you have a good piece of content, it can stand the length of time as long as you're using the platform correctly. I have a whole entire Pinterest affiliate marketing video that's full of great information. I'll link it here and in the description box below. You're definitely going to want to watch it after you watch this one for a whole comprehensive guide and all the different ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest. But today, let's talk about strictly linking a pin to an affiliate offer. Let's go. First, we need a product to promote. So I'm in the motherhood niche and I want to promote this Mindful New Mom book, okay? It's actually a really great book. I'm going to make Pinterest pins that link it directly to this product on Amazon because I am an Amazon affiliate, and I'm going to make Pinterest pins that go to the Amazon homepage for this book. But here's what we're not going to do. We're not going to steal the images that are already on Amazon because it's illegal. You can't do it. Your Pinterest account will get banned. That is what is not allowed on the Pinterest platform. You have to make Pinterest pins that are unique to the Pinterest platform and offer some sort of value to your audience. So how do we do that? Well, first things first, our pin is going to need to be visually appealing. The message on the pin is going to have to be clear and easy to read, big bold text, no cursive, hard to read, neon backgrounds type of thing that just hurts the eyes and not pleasant to read. We're going to highlight the benefit of this affiliate product in the messaging on our pin. We're going to have a call to action on the pin. We're going to have an affiliate marketing disclosure in our Pinterest pin description because again, that's part of the rules and the terms of service to avoid getting your account shut down. And I said before, we are not going to copy and paste images. Let's get into all the different ways we can promote this book using Pinterest. Okay, but before you dive into designing your own Pinterest pin, you're gonna wanna do just a quick research to see what kind of colors or topics or pictures are trending when you search for the things that you might be using to use this book. So for example, I'm promoting Mindfulness New Mom, so I might put in like new mom meditation or new mom mindfulness. Kind of see what pops up, what kind of things are trending. So we have some pinks, some purples, more pinks, more purple. Okay, more pink. So we can see very on trend, a pinky purpley vibe is what's ranking at the top of this search. So we're gonna wanna incorporate the pinky purpley pastel-y type colors when we're using our Pinterest pin. And I can see this one has 2 pictures with text in the middle. This one has 1 picture, text on top, 1 picture, text on top. This one, picture, text on bottom. So the imagery or style is kind of a little bit all over the place, but definitely a picture of a mom, right? And then the text that describes what we want to promote. So let's go over to our nifty Canva. And we're just gonna type in Pinterest pin here in the search bar. If you don't already have a Canva account, I'll have a 30-day pro trial. You can test out the pro features. It's top notch, I guarantee it. And we're just gonna scroll down and try and find a Pinterest pin. I usually just tend to go and work from scratch, so we're gonna hit customize this template. I also have templates linked down in the description box below if you want already high converting templates that I designed for you, no big deal. Okay, so I'm just gonna start completely blank, and I'm going to put, I liked where there was a picture on top and a picture on bottom, so I'm gonna just clear everything, okay? I'm gonna start from complete scratch so you can see my thought process. I'm gonna go to elements, and I know that a great Pinterest pin has the goal in mind, right? And if you haven't seen my Pinterest pin masterclass that talks all about designing pins that really get people to click, I encourage you to go check that out here. But I know I want the person who is basically looking on Pinterest for this solution, I know I want them to feel seen and to feel heard and for them to see their end result. So they want to be a mindful mom. They want to be a good mom. So I'm going to put like fun mom in the elements, go to photos and see what kind of pictures. Ooh, I really like this one. That's a good one. Ooh, actually, I just had an idea because there's a lot of blank space over here you can see. This is what I'm going to do, y'all. So I'm going to just have this picture kind of off to the side. A mom that's having fun with her daughter. Who doesn't want that? And I need to think of what type of messaging do I want to send? How do I highlight the benefits of this book? And when I'm thinking mindful new mom, I'm basically thinking how to not lose your cool with motherhood, how to not lose yourself in the chaos, how to not yell in amongst the chaos, right? So I'm going to use basic language that any mom can understand. So I'm going to go with the messaging, how to not lose your cool in motherhood. And I have these different fonts pre-selected because that's kind of the fonts that I like to use in my brand kit. And I talk again about how to do that in the Pinterest pin masterclass that I have linked on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to start with a smaller font, and I'm going to write how to not lose. We're going to put that up here, and then maybe we'll do the bigger font. We'll do your cool. I'll do the small font again in, and you can maybe you want to do the cursive font. Maybe you want to do, oops, maybe you want to do this font again. Man, oops, I keep doing that. All right, let's move this over. So we have how to not lose your cool in motherhood. There's a few different ways I can go about this, okay? I can add a transparent box so you can see the motherhood's kind of blending in with the face. So I could go to this elements tab again, and I can type in rectangle and add a rectangle here and add it like this, make it a little more, there we go. Maybe make the box white, or maybe this pastel pink, because we just saw that, you know, the pinks were doing well, but I have a different idea in mind. I'm gonna make it white. And I'm gonna turn down the transparency a little bit so you can see through just a little bit, okay? So we're gonna hit these three little dots over here. We're gonna hit this box that is dark and shades, okay? And we're gonna just turn it down just a tad, right? I like this. Now, how can we make it pop more? I think I'm going to add some pops of colors in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add another rectangle, and this is where I'm gonna add in my shade of pink. So I'm gonna put a text box behind these words here to really make them pop. So you can see I just made it kind of like really pop off. I did that by adding the rectangle behind the font, and then I lowered it just a little bit just so it kind of looks like that font's kind of popping out of the color. And I'm gonna change it to either this pink, or I can do this pink on her shirt by clicking the color, so that way it kind of all looks even more cohesive. Love it, love it. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to copy and paste that down here. And you can see it's in front. How we get it to go behind a layer, we're going to hit these 3 little dots over here again. And we are going to hit position. And we're going to hit backwards. There, perfect. How to not lose your cool in motherhood. We are going to take this pin, we are going to hit share, download, and we are going to upload that over to our Pinterest page. We are going to find this book in Amazon, and we are going to go over up here where it says Amazon Site Stripe. This is if you are an Amazon affiliate already. When you are cruising the Amazon site, you will have this Site Stripe button available to you. You're going to hit this get link text, and then we're going to copy this link over here. That is going to be your affiliate link, so that anytime someone is directed to this link and makes a purchase, you will make a commission based off of this link, because this link is tracked to your Amazon affiliate account. So when we're over in Pinterest, we're going to upload our pin here, create pin. We're going to upload that little how to not lose your cool pin that we just made in literally a couple of minutes. And we're going to upload it here. And you can just paste that bad boy right in the link, okay? Now, here's the thing. You're going to create your title and your description, and I go over in great detail how to do your keyword research and all the things in a different video. That's my Pinterest affiliate marketing video. But I want to make it clear, when you are linking directly to an affiliate offer like this, and it's not a blog or something else, you need to write contains affiliate link, either the beginning, the end, in the middle. I don't give a rat's butt, but it needs to be in the description, or else Pinterest could potentially flag you and ban your account, because it is against the law for you not to disclose that you have an affiliate link on your Pinterest pin. So that is option number 1. You can link directly to it. You can also, since I actually have the product, I could go around and take little pictures of me reading this book and use that as a Pinterest pin. And you really don't even need to create a Pinterest pin like this if you don't want to. I think it's a good idea. Oh, we forgot to add our call to action too on our Pinterest pin. It's not 100% necessary, but sometimes I do think it helps increase those conversions. So you could write a little blurb at the bottom of the pin like learn more here, something along those lines. I could also just take pictures of me with the book and link it directly that way. But this is a way around if you don't actually have the physical product, but you want to promote it as an affiliate offer, because especially on Amazon, there are just a billion products to promote on Amazon, and you probably don't want to buy a billion products. This is a way around it where you can basically create Pinterest pins without having a picture of the physical product, but still lead it to the physical product, and it still all makes sense, and it's fluent, and it's all good. Another great way you can do this is by taking videos. So you could create a video of you talking about the book, reading the book, and videos are really hot performers on Pinterest platform right now. But say if you don't have the physical product, how can we go about creating a video for this? Actually use the videos feature in Canva, so you could, it's already filtering for fun mom. Oh, this is so sweet. We could have a video here. A mom is rocking her sweet little baby. And we could put the same text down here so we can see her rocking her sweet little baby. Oop, that's not centered though. Fun tip, if you want to select a whole thing in Canva, you can see this is off-centered, but I don't want to move each little thing at once. You can hit the command button on your screen and then move everything around, make sure it's centered. So you can now see you have a sweet video of a mom saying also again how to not lose your cool in motherhood, and it's turned into a video. Now let's hop over to my phone because I want to show you a couple things from there too. Okay, so now we're going to hop into my phone so I can show you exactly how we tag Pinterest pins with affiliate products right on the pin. You can only do this from the mobile. We're going to click the Pinterest app. We're going to hit the little plus icon down at the bottom, and then we're going to select pin. From there, we're going to upload our pin. We're going to use this pumpkin mug as an example. So it's different pumpkin mugs because we're getting ready for fall, and this is the case where I do see a lot of people copying and pasting Amazon into a Pinterest pin to make some sort of collage that offers value. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say this is the absolute best practice, but this does seem to be a practice that Pinterest seems to be allowing. So we have the pumpkin mug here. We're going to tell everyone the description, the title, and down here where it says tag products, we are going to select that button, and this is where we can tap the plus icon to add products. Where it says use link over here, this is where we're going to get our Amazon affiliate link, or if you have a different affiliate link. Not all affiliate links work with this tag function, but Amazon does. Also, if you have Etsy items you can tag. If you're an Etsy shop owner, you're part of the Etsy affiliate program, you could do this as well. Now, if you're inside the Amazon app over here, I will show you how you can get the affiliate link right from your Amazon app. So if we have pumpkin mug, and let's just pick this first one here. You go to the actual product page and you hit this little share button down at the bottom, this little square with an arrow, and then you're going to hit copy associate link. And then when you go back over to Pinterest and you paste that link in, and we're going to hit search, the product should show up. And you can see here it is. We're going to select it and hit create. And you can see this product has now been tagged to this product pin. So when someone pulls up this Pinterest pin, it's going to say shop this pin or shop this look. And these items are going to be tagged right on the Pinterest pin. I'll show you an example of what that looks like. This will be what it looks like down at the bottom here. We have these different mugs that are tagged at the bottom of the Pinterest pin that people can just tap, and it'll take them right to the Amazon affiliate product page or wherever else you're sending people from your affiliate link. Now that exact strategy applies to if you're posting videos as well. You can tag the affiliate products right on the video pin as well. Now there's one other strategy I want to show you real quick in the phone. If you have the LTK Creator app, it's really simple. It's a different way that you can link different affiliate products. So you have to apply to the Like to Know It program and you have to get approved. From there you can get the LTK app. And for example, this is what it looks like. So these are my products. So I put this straightener on here, this straightening curling iron, and it's a video, and people can then, you can see right here, shop this. And let me show you how we can do this. So we can hit this plus icon, we can hit add photos or videos, and let's say we upload this pumpkin mug thing. We're gonna upload it as is, and down here where it says add products, we can then go to products or brand sites, and just to show you how many, like look at all of these brands that you can shop. You're already in their affiliate program because you're in the Like to Know It program. So you don't have to go ahead and apply to different affiliate programs. So let's say I found some mugs at Target that I really like. I can just type in Target at the top of the brand sites, select Target, and search for the pumpkin mugs. And then you would hit select and it would tag it to that product. Then once you post your Like to Know It, we can hit this share post down here, copy link only, and that can be the link that you put in your Pinterest pin as well. So that way, when you post the Pinterest pin and it takes them right to this Like to Know It page, it's gonna basically show your post. Maybe it's your outfit, maybe it's all the mugs with all the different affiliate programs. So this is a great way if you're basically wanting to tag products from all different types of affiliate sites. This is a great way to do that. So these are just a few ways that you can tag affiliate products right to your Pinterest pins without getting in trouble with the Pinterest platform. You can also do the Amazon storefront route, but I think I'll save that for an entirely different video because I don't want to waste too much of your time here. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It helps me support my family without having to provide a course. So you get free education and I get to support my family. It's a win-win for all of us. Let me know what questions you have in the description box below, and I look forward to catching you in my next video.